Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So first of all, um, today we will start from 6.3. Okay, that is our today lecture using frequency table. So we already discussed about 6.2 where we will discuss all these things like we already discussed about continuous and discrete data. Okay, but here we have to learn frequency tables. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. Using frequency table, you can use a frequency table or with the equal class interval to gather the continuous data. Okay, and here, remember this thing. Maybe I asked you which type of data we are using in the frequency table. That is only and only continuous data. Okay. Now here we have, you can see the signs. There are the two type of signs. Okay, so here this sign show a less than and this sign show a less than or equal to. Okay, so remember this thing because we use most of these type of signs like this. For example, if you have a class like in between the number you write like this 63 more than 63. Okay, but less than or equal to 65, which means that from 63 but not including 63. Okay, uh, up up to or including the mass of 65. Okay, so that's mean like that if we write 63 means 63 less than 63 or equal to, and on other side I write here 65 and without any equal sign, so it's mean 63 is included, but here he mentioned here 63 included and 63 and up to, but not including the mass of 65. Okay, now you can see here first example, that is most common and most easiest question. This type of question we can do it easily. Okay, now here you have a different type of message that show W. Okay, so for 20 teachers, okay, measure the nearest kilogram, but these messages are grouped frequency. Okay, table. So first of all, you need to means put it in any specific order, like small to large or large to small. Okay, with the help of this, you just find which one is the smallest number. Okay, so if you don't have, so it's easy for you. Okay, once you write a tally chart, that is very easy for you. Now here we have, you can see these are all numbers. So we write user class interval like sometimes they give us like how I can write a class interval, but sometimes they never give us. Okay, so here you can see they give us that 60 or more. Okay, more than 60, but 70 less than 70 or less than or equal to 70. So same like that they give us also, we write all these things here. Okay, so later on what we will do, here we have a tally chart. We have a tally chart, so what we will do, we just write all those let's suppose first of all we count how many numbers we have in between 60 to 70. So first number is 62, then 70, then 66. Okay, so there are three numbers, so I just write a three tallies. Okay, and put here three. Okay, as it is same, what I do next, next thing we have that 70 to 80. Okay, so I just write I have eight almost numbers. Okay, that start from 74, 79, 76, 72, 77, 71, and 74. So first of all, I just write draw of four lines, and the fifth line always draw like that. Okay, then six, seven, and eight. Okay, so this will show all these number. Now here we have six, so we will draw five and four, and then draw a line to complete the one group of tally, and then put one more. Okay, as it is here, we did this all. Okay, this thing you will do it. Okay, in your home. As it is same here, we have a next slide that showed us there are two view of the table that show the result of the game played by the hockey teams in one season. So how many home games did hockey team play team lose? Okay, so here he mentioned everything. How many he win? This home game team win, home draw, home team draw, and the team lose. Okay, there are total 12 matches that home games team played. Okay, and away game they he just play only six. Sorry, 12, and the rest of them the total 24 games. Okay, so how many they lose? He lose only two games, and away game how many this game win three. Okay, so here I mentioned three. Just copy and write. Okay, how many games did hockey team draw all together? Hockey team draw all together is seven. Okay, so here he mentioned here he will have mentioned now. Yes. Now here he mentioned here then the total matches that they draw, both team draw to that are seven. What is the total number of the game that hockey team played in this season? There are 24. Okay, the total games. So these type of question you will see in the next here in this place. Okay. Now this question number one is as it is same like example one. First example that you will see on your screen maybe 2 minutes before I teach you. Now here you have 150 to 160. Okay, so 160 is included, but more than 150. Okay, so you just select start from 151, 159. You can see here 151, 159, and 155. Okay, so there are three numbers, 160 as well. Okay, because we must include 160. So what we will write here, we just draw here at four lines, four lines. Okay, and here what we just write here the numbers. Frequency means the number and telling me the number of lines to have. Okay, so as it is same you will solve this. Next part he said how many of adult, same like this you will complete this all. How many of adults are more than 180 centimeter tall but less than or equal to 190 centimeter. Okay, so let's see. Now you can see here on the screen there are three adults, okay, that is more than 180 but less than 190. Now, C part, how many of the adults are more than 170 centimeter tall? More than 170. So it's mean from here, okay, the last three. So last three is more than 170, 11, it's 11. So you can see here, this one is 11. Okay, how many of the adult are less than or equal to 180 centimeter? Less than or equal to 180 centimeter. I mean, above this all you can write. Uh, Now here 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So the number of adult peoples are 16. Okay. So as it is same, you have any questions? 1 minute. Now. Question number three, you try to do it by yourself. This is same like that. First of all, you write this all. You just make a table, okay, and mention all these things, okay, in a sequence, okay. So let me show you here. First of all, you just write all these numbers here, okay, and after that, you just count how many numbers, how many what we call it, the height of the person or the plants, okay, are given here in between 10. Okay, 10 is included but less than 18. So we just mention here we have two people, two the heights of the plants that we have. Later on we just check for the other one. Okay, so here we have 6, the third one we have 9, the fourth one we have 7, the last one we have 3. So once we count all, so we will get the answer that is 27. So B part, how many plants are in the survey? There are 27 plants. Okay. Next is how many plants are greater than or equal to 18 centimeter. Greater than or equal to 18, but less than 26. Means second one is 6. Greater than Okay, greater than 18, okay, but less than 6. Okay, so here we have greater than, yes, so greater than 18 and less than 6, so that is only uh, less than 26, that is only 6. Okay, Us- yeah, that is only 6. Okay, okay, next one is as it is same, you solve all this. Okay, here that is given here. Now question number 4 is sorry, question number 5, the two way of the table, okay, that show the favorite subject of the student in Mr. Hassan class. Okay, copy and complete the table. Use the total column and total rows to help work out the following. Here we have 18. So here we have given 13. Okay. So 13 minus 18, that is equal to 5. So what you write here? English have 5. There are 5 students in English subjects. Now 5 girls. Okay. Now here we have mm, 8 plus 6. That is already, you can see here. I will mention even 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. I write here 14. Here I write here 5. Now here this 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. But they are total 32. So once I add all this one is 29. 29 plus 3, that is, that's make 30. So it's mean here I write 2, because 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay, so once I add all these numbers, so 14, so here I write 14. So 18 plus 14, that's make 32. Okay, so with the help of this, how many of the boys choose science as their favorite subject? 5. Here I write 5, because he said boys only, not all. How many of the students did not choose math, science, or English? Math, science, or English. There are 3 students. So same like this, you will solve this all. Okay, now here let's move to next part. These are the answer of the given exercise. Okay, you can see on my screen question number 5. Okay, and as well as question number 6. So that's it. So next in next class we will discuss inshallah chapter number 7. So class, thank you, take care, goodbye.